Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is your boy Botshelo Sello. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today, we're gonna look on nasdaq 100, how to trade nasdaq 100. So before we get down to it, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, so every time I upload the video, you'll be notified. Don't forget to like the video, and make sure if you have any question, comment down below, ask me any question. I'll respond to it as soon as I can. So let's start with the daily time frame. I don't want us to go to the monthly time frame, so it will take a lot of our time. So I don't want us to take time. So I just want to make this video as short as possible. So as you can see, this is actually a continuation pattern. As I've checking the chart, this is a continuation pattern, meaning that we're going upwards. This is a continuation pattern. So if guys you don't know about patterns, tell me down in the comment section so I can make a video about patterns so you can know them better. So when you open the chart, you can see if it's a continuation pattern or a reversal pattern. So as I'm seeing this, I'm looking at the continuation pattern, meaning that we're going we're going up. So what I do normally is when I trade, it's like this. I only look for buy opportunities because I know the long term we're going for. The long term is going to the top. So what I normally do is look for buy entries instead of sell entries. Let me just go down to the smaller time frame so I can show you. Let's start the 4 hour. This is the 4 hour time frame. You can see this is a 4 time frame. This was bigger impulse. Then this was a correction. Did an impulse, but it didn't have the momentum to go to the downside. So that's when it changed the trend. So now it changed the trend. So now we know that we're going to the upwards. But some of the guys will say that they're seeing a reversal pattern, and true, they're correct. This is a reversal pattern. But remember, the bigger time frame says we're going up, unless if the trade does this, comes down and breaks. Normally I enter a trade after it has corrected. So if there are too many scenarios, it's buy and sell, so you have to look for both opportunities. But I'm looking for a buy here. But if it comes down, it breaks, come for a retest, I'm also going in. Then I know that it will go to the downside. But for now, what I know is there's two possibilities. The other thing you can do is it can create another channel here. Can create another continuation pattern. It can create another continuation pattern here. So I'll just have to wait and see how it moves when it goes down. But the way I'm looking at it, I'm looking for a buy opportunity. So I'll wait for it. If I turn a continuation pattern, then I know there's where I will enter my first trade, a risk entry. Then I'll wait for it to break. Come for a retest. Then I'll be going up with it. That will be my second entry. So my first entry will be here. Then if it breaks, comes for retest, then that one will be my second entry. So for now, I'm seeing a buy opportunity on Nasdaq 100, but I will just see how it plays, because yesterday I took a buy entry. I'll just show you as I go down to the 15 minutes time frame, because I like entering on the 15-minute time frame because it has a high peak value. So what happened is yesterday, let me just show you. You just need to evolve. You know how to evolve, guys. Sorry. So yesterday what I saw is I saw a continuation pattern. So this is what I saw yesterday. It was like this, actually. So my first entry was it was going to be here because I was waiting for a third touch. Then I know we're going to upwards, but because it didn't do so, what I normally do is I wait for it to break, come for a retest. Then that's when I took my profits. Was somewhere here, my take profit. So I think it was my stop loss was 20 pips. Yeah, if I remember correctly. Yeah, no, it was 30. It was 30. It was 30 because it was here. Some will say it's a big stop loss. No, it's not a big stop loss. It's a small stop loss. So my first entry was gonna be here, but because it didn't come for a third touch, I waited for it to break, came for a retest, then that's when I went in. So normally I enter a trade when it does a retest. So normally if it doesn't do a retest, I don't enter the trade. I'll wait for more opportunities because there are many pairs to trade. So we just have to wait. So I'm still looking for a buy opportunity. I was supposed to enter here, but because it didn't come for a retest, I couldn't enter this trade. As you can see, this is also a continuation pattern to the upside, but I didn't get the retest. So I was waiting for a break, then come for retest, then that's when I go it. Then my TP was gonna be here. So I missed it. So I missed this trade, so I'm sure it's gonna come until here, then we'll see how it goes. But for now, on Nasdaq 100, the opportunities only that I'm taking is buy opportunities only. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can get more valuable content.